Listen closely. Your body is not a passive machine. It is a relentless, unforgiving engine of survival, and at its core is a system that does not ask for permission. It commands, it devours, it dominates. The moment food enters your mouth, the process is irreversible. Your teeth shred, crush, and pulverize, breaking down every bite with brutal efficiency. Saliva launches into action, unleashing enzymes that begin the chemical onslaught. This is not gentle. This is war. Swallowed whole, the food plunges down your esophagus in a controlled freefall, forced downward by the muscular contractions of peristalsis. Resistance is futile. Your body does not tolerate hesitation. The lower esophageal sphincter slams shut behind it, trapping it in the acidic chamber of your stomach. And now, the real destruction begins. Acid, potent enough to dissolve metal, floods the chamber, tearing apart molecules, breaking them down into submission. Enzymes attack mercilessly, breaking proteins, shredding fats, and obliterating carbohydrates. This is not digestion. This is domination. What survives is expelled into the small intestine, where an elite force of bile, pancreatic enzymes, and intestinal juices complete the invasion. Nutrients are stripped, seized, and absorbed into your bloodstream, your body's non-negotiable demand for energy and sustenance. There is no wastefulness. Every drop of fuel is claimed, but what remains is discarded without remorse. The large intestine extracts every last ounce of water before shoving the remnants forward. There is no slowing down, no hesitation. The colon moves with ruthless precision, compacting, shaping, and preparing for the final, inevitable expulsion. This is the digestive system, unyielding.